Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the TNK7. Based on popular demand, we're adding this new version of TNK to our Roto-Molded tank product line. The TNK7 currently is the smallest Roto-Molded tanks. It's designed to be used on more compact mobile applications and applications that has more stringent space requirements. As such, we replaced the tank mounted filter with the MTB filter housing. It's much smaller, but still retains the same performance profile as the ZT and CRTB and RT for the larger brethren in the TNK family line. These are ideal for small and medium OEMs. These are certified clean to SI specification, so the cleanliness level they come to expect from our filter products will also be applicable to these tanks as well. So every single one of these tanks will be leak tested and cleaned before after it's being assembled, so that there's no additional processing steps necessary before they can be used. These are also available with quality protected elements to ensure aftermarket usage, also ensure the heightened level of performance associated with the MTB housing. The one thing that's different with the TNK7 compared to the 12, 18, and 25 is that these have optional mounting feet as well as banded strap offerings. With the smaller size of the TNK7, sometimes it's unnecessary or unwieldy to have separate straps to attach the tanks to the vehicle these are mounted on. So we've implemented optional mounting feet that further reduce the size and dimension for the TNK7. We're going to look at a little more details on the configuration and dimensions. Here you can see the front and the right side view of the TNK7. In general, the design is very similar to it follows the same design philosophy as the 12, 18, and 25. It has the internal contours that's associated with other tanks as well, and the external grooves are designed to better outfit the mounting straps on. This tank also comes with a level gauge and breather and suction strainer, just as all the other tanks. On the front, where the name tag is, below that there's optional second suction strainer port available as well, but the standard suction port is located on the right side, and that is a SAE20 suction port. The level gauge is located on the right side, on the front of the right upper hand side corner of the front of the tank, and the breather is located right by the MTB filter housing. The orientation of the MTB filter can be changed as well. It's designated as 1, 2, 3, and 4. The standard is configurations set at 1, so these can be changed as well based on the customer's demand to better suit each particular application. We have simplified the model code order information for the TNK families. Previously, we have heard reports of confusion for how to set up the TNK products, and we've simplified that for the near future. So, in general, the model codes of TNK products follow the pattern of a TNK size, material, filter housing, filter micron, rating, and then accessories. So in this particular case, if you were to order TNK7, it would be TNK7 HD for standard material, 10 for 10 microns with the MTB housing. And then you can customize the porting option with either P12, MPT12, MPT16 size porting, SAE, British porting, things like that. You can also, as mentioned before, change the orientation of the MTB housing, as well as adding any type of indicator that you would like. And after that, you can choose to add a breather, side level gauge, and side level gauge orientation, as well as the location of suction strainers and mounting feet. Again, the mounting feet do not come standard, but they are an alternative option to the mounting straps. We do have a new cut sheet available for the TNK7. If you'd like to look at the technical specs in detail, that is our L sheet number 4802 that is currently available on the website. We have the TNK7 is currently completely approved and ready for production, so we're taking samples and production orders and inquiries right now. So please contact your local salesperson and distributor, and we would love to hear from you. Okay, and with that, I will turn over to Mr. Cruikshanks again, and he will go over the two other products that we're currently releasing.